And this is our AC high-speed cylinder machine, and this model is Toshiba CF3. And first we want to introduce the machine for you, and this is the machine electric box. And here is the working station, and this one is the waste ink exhaust system. And for our working station, you can adjust the angle and depending the product shape, and by electric automatically. And here is the modeling system. It can scan the product shape automatically, and here is the ink, the temperature control system. And for this machine we have 4 print head, and white, semi-YK, and LC and varnish. Totally have 5 print head. And you can see we have the automatic cleaning system. And here is the machine control panel. And now we go back to the machine and to have a look. This is the LED water cooling system. And here is the ink tank. Because this machine is for our exhibition, we haven't finished yet, so we just show you roughly. And now we started to printing. We go to our software. First, we use Photoshop to make the correct size with the bolter. So now we've already finished the design, and then we use our Rein software. 它是 Rein 是吧？ this one is our printing software. 要用 Rein 先 Rein 吗？先把打印软件打开。Okay. First we already opened the printing software. Later we will open the Rein, and we will show you how to transfer the printing format to this one is Rein, and we can load the file. Just now finished by Photoshop, and we select and transfer the format to printing format. And then we name. Finish. Then we go back to printing software and open the file. We selected the file just now we finished. Now we're printing this one. 现在可以放。We put the bolter here, and we press this button. Automatically. 这个是 This one is a printing button. Okay. Now let us have a look. because this is the first time we loading the file, so need more time to waiting. So now printing finished. And we press here and take the product out. And you can see the printing quality is very good. Also the neck of the bolter, the printing is very well. Okay, thank you. And you can see this is our printing samples.